lines like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me. Really, I'm your secret biggest fantasy friend. We can chill with everyone. I need someone intimate. You got all the taste for thuggish touch. You get your fan. Well, I'm thugging to the beat. Baby, join me if you can. All these years never said a thing. Knowing me is
Hello Cheri, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Krinovic. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, and if you're not, hey girl, welcome back. As you can see by the title, we are doing mini twists, and everybody and their mama is doing mini twists. Okay, what's that one song? A black girl a little too hard. Yeah, because look how good this looks. Y'all know I got 2 scoops of hair. If I was to do this with just my hair, it would not be full. It would not look this good. But look how beautiful this is. I did it with human hair for some versatility, and I love it, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I did it, and it was trial and error, and I'm gonna show you guys that as well. But overall, I'm so happy with the result that I got. It is full enough, but small enough to where I could put a wig on top of this. So I just love it. It's so easy. You know it's hot outside, it's summer. People are going to be in the water, in the pool. So this is such a good style to go ahead and do all of that while protecting your hair. And it's cute. Like, do you see the material? This is going to be my go-to style to make my hair grow, because this 2 scoops of hair about to be 6. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Let's go. The human braiding hair we're using today is from Eayonhair. I've worked with this company multiple times on my channel, so y'all know it's not even a matter of whether the hair is good or not. It's good, but I have not used their braiding hair extensions. I always use their bulk hair, so I was very excited to use this and lengthen my hair. I'm so excited. The hair was really good, y'all. It looked small. I was like, are these gonna be enough? Y'all, it's a lot. Okay, it looked small. That's why you see my face. I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be enough, but it was enough, and I had leftovers, so it's a lot of hair on it. If you want to do bigger ones, I don't know, you may need a little bit more, but for mine, I didn't even finish the 2 packs. This is the part that I was telling y'all about, that trial and error part. Sometimes it's not going to come out good on the first try, and you really just need to push over. It takes patience to do your own hair, y'all. So I wanted mini twists, but the first twist I had did, it was really big, y'all. I had to redo like a whole half section of my hair, but I love this so I could show y'all, because it also gave me an opportunity to show you guys how to take out this hair and preserve it. Like that one big box I did at the beginning is 3 of the mini ones I was doing, so it was really big. I just felt like it did not fit my face nor my head, so I decided to make them smaller. But if you want them bigger, it still looks cute. It just was not what I was going for. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel it so I can show you guys how you can preserve the hair and reuse it, because it's human hair, so you're gonna be able to reuse it if you'd like. As you can see, it's very easy to take out, of course. So there's the first piece, and then I put in about 3 pieces in each braid, in each twist. I'm so used to doing braids in each twist. And then that's the 3rd one, the first one that we start with. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, and then we will redo it and show you guys how I got this hairstyle. There's the hair all braided out. Now we're about to start braiding. You want to go ahead and grab the gel of your preference. I usually use Shine and Gem, but I was out. You want to need a parting comb and an edges brush. Here's the hair. I'm showing you guys once you have it. They're in like singles like that, which makes it really easy, and it will help us know how to part it if you want to get the exact size that I have. So for each little thing like that, I was parting it 4 times. So you want to go ahead and separate it. So that's the first one, the second one, and then the 3rd one. Once you do that, I like to go ahead and put some gel at the back of my hand. It's just easy to access. You can put it wherever you want. This just works for me, and it's easier for me. I go ahead and put some gel on the hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and start parting. You want to make sure your parts are precise. But with this hairstyle, I don't think it's that important, honestly, because we wanted to mimic our actual hair. But again, I'm a perfectionist, so I need my parts to look really, really good, especially in the front. The front is a big one for me. It has to look good. Unless I'm doing big parts, I do not care how the back of my head look, y'all. I just make sure I'm getting them small, but I don't really care about the parting as much as I care about the front. After you put your gel on the hair, you're going to go ahead and split that into 3 parts. Once you have it split into 3 parts, you want to go ahead and grab the kinky hair and put it at the bottom of the hair. Once you do that, you want to get the left and the right side and leave the middle one by itself. Then you're going to go ahead and start braiding. I like to start my twists with braids. It just makes sure that they're secure and they're not going to be slipping out, because the last thing we need is your hair falling out, y'all. Especially if you're doing your hair by yourself, you're not having that tight grip. So make sure you start it in a braid just to make sure it's secure and it ain't going nowhere. Once you braid it down just a little bit, you want to go ahead and put some gel on it just to make sure that everything is combined and it looks very uniform. Then you're going to go ahead and start twisting. I did not realize I was twisting this fast, but I try to slow down in some parts to show y'all how I'm doing it. So basically just twist one side and then twist the opposite side and just keep doing that same thing going downward. Once you feel like you're running out of hair, you want to go ahead and add another piece. And you want to twist it and then put it on the other side and then twist the opposite side and just keep doing it like that. Make them intertwine. Once you do that, I like to make sure I'm measuring just to make sure I don't make it too long or too short. So right there, I'm just making sure, should I add a third one? And I ended up deciding I do need a third one. So you want to go ahead and put it there, twist it like we did. So twist it and then wrap it and then twist the opposite side and wrap it and just keep doing that until you get to the end. Make sure you keep adding some gel just to make sure there's no hair sticking out and everything is uniform, because we don't want our hair looking like we did it ourselves. We want our hair to look good, like we went to the salon, y'all. Just because you did it yourself don't mean it gotta look DIY looking. Come on now. Alright, so I'll go ahead and just twist it all the way to the end, and then when I get to the end, I just add a little bit gel and then I just coil the hair around with my finger just to make sure everything is nice and secure. Here's a little close-up of how the hair looks. As y'all can see, the hair looks really good, y'all. Like, it looks like it's my hair. It's very soft. I feel like even on camera you can see how soft it is. I'm gonna go ahead and damp my hair so it's wet, because I'm about to apply some conditioner in it. That's the conditioner that I use. I love this conditioner, y'all. I love it down, but you can use whatever conditioner you like. This is just the one that I prefer. I'm gonna go ahead and get a generous amount and just apply that on my hair. Since it's human hair, you know, I just want to make sure that I'm moisturizing not only my hair but the human hair extensions as well, because I do want to see if I can reuse them, so I want to take really good care of them as well. So I'm going to go ahead and lather that in just to make sure that I have everything, any little loose hairs that I did not coil in, if this is their time to get out. So you want to go ahead and just do that. So moisturize your hair, put some water in it, put some conditioner in it, run your hands through it, and that's basically it. I did go ahead and just trim my hair down a little bit because some of them do tend to be just a little bit longer than the others, but that's an easy fix. So you want to go ahead and do that whenever you get a chance. Obviously do it in the middle part just so everything is nice and even on each side. At this point, I was feeling this hair, y'all, because like I knew I was gonna like it at the beginning, but once I put some hair and some water and conditioner in it, honey, I was sold. Y'all keep seeing me looking on the other side. It's because I'm looking in the mirror. And I'm cutting it. It literally looks like my hair. I am so impressed, y'all. I'm about to have these in for a long time because I could do other hairstyles on top of it. I just feel like that's a score, y'all. That's a score. So this is how the hair came out. I sure do hope this tutorial was very helpful. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below. I'll answer them to the best of my abilities. If y'all like the hair, let me know. If y'all thought the big twists were better than the small ones, let me know. But yeah, I really love it, and thank you guys for watching. Alright, my loves, you guys made it all the way to the end of the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. You're gonna love it here, I promise. We are a community that just helps each other. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Any recommendations, anything you have a question about, if I can answer it, I'm gonna answer it. And if I can't, I'm gonna look for the answer. And if I can't find it, I'm gonna tell you that I can't find it, but we're gonna still look until we find something. Okay, because at the end of the day, we just helping each other out. And I can't be keeping these cute styles for myself. I gotta put my girlies on. I'm not gonna be the only one looking cute. We can all look cute, you know. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye, Cheri.